So in looking at these two alphabets, it's essentially modern calligraphy written with two different tools. There's something really fascinating that I've been sort of looking at with the structure of modern calligraphy and how it relates to copperplate script. So I was on site a couple weeks ago doing a job, and instead of doing my standard one kink up, down and out, I went 1, 2 and 3. So instead of going under curve, kink, under curve, I went more like a line of universal beauty curve and another one, so it kicks the whole thing out, which also allows you to come down a little bit further, and it really affects how the ligature to the other letter works. Really quite a fascinating little bit of movement. Then I thought, let's try it with an oblique holder. So 1, and what it did was, whereas in traditional lettering, traditional copperplate, if you have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, so based on this principle that I put forward on, the downstroke should be at the same angle of the upstroke. So this is 55 and this is 55. This is, I've not measured these angles as yet. This is a completely different angle. This is not on the 55, there's a 55 here. So this is curving. So for all intents and purposes, it's actually more like this and this. Then this changes the angle again. And then this changes the angle again. But what's happening is you have some parallelisms. You have an opposite parallel, because these are concave and convex shapes working together. But if you put both of them together, you have a really beautiful sort of balancing inner space. So that got me obviously a little bit excited. So I thought I'd share that with you. A little bit of playful structure to writing. Of course, this pulls you back in.